Hello.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Collie.
Welcome to our channel.
Hi, everyone. I've made it here to Montana, and I have met up with Bunny Plays Here and Ladybug out today, and we're starting our day out. They went and got gas, and we are going to get some coffee, which I'm thankful for because I need some. But yeah, we're gonna do a few things today. We got more friends showing up, so this is going to be a good day. But every day is a good day. We're fixing to head out for our hot girl walk for today, and unfortunately, Bunny's van was dead. So we got jumper cables and got her started. So we're all good to go, and we're gonna be heading out. So let's go walking. It's a little smoky here right now because of all the wildfires that have been going on around the country. But this is beautiful. We're off to do our hot girl walk. We are here in Whitefish, Montana. And this seems Bunny found this on the All Trails app and said that it's about a 2.5 mile walk, and it's a fairly nice level. They claim it as easy, so we'll see. And we should be doing some trail along the river, and there'll be other scenery to go through as well. So we'll see how this goes.
That means water is close by. So we just had a short distance that we had to go, possibly in the urban space.
We're here on the trail. Monegan Road. It's 1.1 miles. We're right on the river, and we got somebody coming down here that is getting in on his paddle board. See if we can find him. This has been a beautiful hike so far. Really liking this. Look at how crystal clear that water is. We are here at the Riverwood Public Boat Dock. We're going to go down here and get close to the water. We're heading down to the dock now. The water is down quite a bit, but you can still get on the dock and get into the water. So let's go on down and check it out. Well guys, we're just about through our walk today, and I'm gonna call it a day here on the dock because we're not that far from our vans. And thanks for coming along with us, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment so we can keep the channel growing. Thanks for watching.